Hello and welcome to another update on gold. Yesterday, quite a sharp pullback on the gold chart, but far away from a break of a larger trend. So I think from a bullish point of view, it's quite good that we have still only 3 waves down, right? So if we, I'm gonna zoom in a minute, but overall, the idea is that this is our support zone for upside trend continuation. It covers the 2 scenarios we talked about over the last few days, a larger wave 4, either this wave degree of the wave 2 that bottomed here in August, or the larger wave 4, right, that presumably bottomed here, but where we are not entirely sure in the orange scenario whether this is really, whether the wave 4 here of this wave degree bottomed really in July, or whether it's still unfolding or going to unfold, because this sideways correction that happened into the July lows, it was quite weak, right? It was more like a sideways consolidation rather than a real, pullback. So that can still happen. So for us, again, it's, do we get one more high on gold or 2? We're not entirely sure, but we should still see at least one more high. So the idea is either this wave 4, then wave 5 to complete the larger 5th wave, or we never completed the larger degree 4th wave, and then we basically need to form a larger 4, but then could still see that 5th. So again, it would just be a matter, a question regarding size of that correction. But the support area, and that's the good news, is quite similar. So it's kind of capturing both of these, which means we can simply say, as long as the $3,820 level is holding, the uptrend is intact. Only below structure changes. Yeah? And we are still below this 1-2 setup that we were tracking back then. Way above. And all these, small setups we had along the way. And so far, I still cannot confirm a major top. But what I am watching for is potentially that this wave 4, because it's just due. Okay, it's just due. But please note, it would be more clearly short-term bearish had we seen 5 waves down. But no, again, it's a 3-wave move down again, which again is bullish. But the potential is there that a larger ABC forms. Now again, listen, all the words in these videos, they are important because sometimes people miss them. I'm not calling for this wave 4 yet. I'm saying it's due. But it will depend on the reaction to this resistance area next week. This is our resistance area. And there's a good chance of breaking it again, right? But at some point it won't break. And then we're working on that larger 4. So the only support area I can give you is obviously the one that you just saw. A 3-wave pullback always keeps the door open for higher prices. So a direct move up higher wouldn't be a surprise. But there is, we can watch for this wave 4. Yeah. It depends next week on how the market reacts to resistance. So this resistance area between 4,270, we've reached that level already, and 4,370, this resistance will be important. I think we should go a bit higher anyway. But once we start to break above 4,370, we're likely in an extension of wave 3. This was not yet this wave 4, as far as I can tell. But the 3-wave move down is always a signal the bulls are still active. It's not a 5-wave move down. That's good. Yeah, so that gives you the levels for next week. I might be able to record another update when the market opens. We'll see. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then make sure you also check out our stocks membership. The link is in the description. It's in the comment section. It's the Patreon link. It takes you to our S&P 500 membership, where we also cover the Nasdaq, however, and gold and silver updates on a daily basis, and also bonus updates on palladium and platinum, and many other stocks. Check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.